We've all seen and heard about adulterants in drugs that we buy. Many crude drugs, especially in powdered form, are adulterated. How can we assess the quality of such drugs? The answer lies in a systematic method of analysis called the Lycopodium spore method. This is a method which helps us in quantifying the herbal drug and in validating its authenticity. Why is Lycopodium clavatum used for this experiment? Lycopodium clavatum spores are tetrahedral in shape and their base is rounded and it has a three-sided wall which is marked by three well-covered ridges which join each other at one particular point. The spores are exceptionally uniform in size, which is 25 micrometers, and the shape is tetrahedral so that one can always know that a definite number of spores are present in a particular weight of Lycopodium. Let's say on an average 94,000 spores are present per mg of powdered Lycopodium. So using this figure, we can calculate the weight of any number of spores under any condition under the microscope. Remember that we can only calculate the percentage of purity of a drug if it is powdered, and there are well-defined particles that can be counted, for example starch grains or pollen grains, and the tissues or cells that we are trying to evaluate are single layer and whose area can be traced under suitable magnification. The objects must have uniform thickness and their length and breadth and area must be measurable under the microscope. The procedure of the analysis goes this way. Let's say about 25 mg of the drug to be tested is taken along with 50 mg of the Lycopodium spore powder. It is mixed into a suspension medium such as corn oil or glycerin in a test tube. It is suspended slowly and gently and uniformly rolled or oscillated along the palms to make a suspension that is uniform. The quantity of the suspension medium can be adjusted according to one's needs. A drop of this suspension is taken on a microscopic slide and made uniform using a glass rod. A cover slip is gently placed over this and the suspension is let to settle for a while. After letting the suspension settle, the number of particles of the drug that are to be tested are counted under the microscope in 25 different fields. This continues with different weights of the drug like 50 mg, 75 mg, 100 mg and so on of the sample drug, while keeping the weight of the Lycopodium spore powder constant as we had taken earlier, which was 50 mg. The next stage is observation and calculation. Now, let's get to the formula as to how to calculate the percentage purity of a certain sample. Let's say we'll calculate the percentage purity of authentic powdered ginger. The formula is as follows. The percentage purity of drugs is equal to N into W into 94,000 into 100 divided by S into M into P, where N equals the number of characteristic structures, which is here powdered ginger in 25 fields. W is weight in mg of Lycopodium spore powder taken. S is the number of Lycopodium spores in these 25 fields that we observed. M is weight in mg of the sample, which is calculated on the basis of the sample dried at around 105 degrees Celsius or so. P is 286,000 in the case of ginger powder. How do we know that this system is reliable? There are a few characters that we need to look to decide if this experiment is worth doing or not. So there are different criteria like repeatability, suitability, linearity, precision, accuracy and specificity. And the Lycopodium spore method has proven to cross all these tests, which makes it a good candidate for checking the quality of crude drugs.